I am not here for entertainment purposes. I need to just drop that bar. I'm not here for entertainment purposes. I am a brother that loves this club and wants my club to compete with the very best in football. Bro, Thomas Frank needs to get out of my club, and he needs to get out of my club fast. He's a pussy club. Man, they're moving. My club is playing side-to-side football like they're Cameo from Candy. It's like Candy. You can see it when I walk. Looking over. Shut your mouth. It's rubbish. Now, for me, I thought when you bring in a manager, you bring in a manager that you believe can win the league. Whether you win the league or not, don't matter. You bring in a manager that can win in a trophy. Whether you win or not, don't matter. You need to have those high standards. Legitly, Northside, Tony, you lot asked me if I was happy with Frank. I said no. Then I was quite happy stinking out the place. No, I have to remind you. Then I was quite happy stinking out the place. Yes, granted, it was shameless. I know it was shameless. But we were stinking out the place and we were winning. What I'm not prepared to put up with is stinky, dusty football where we're not having shots on goal and we look clueless. And right now, I'm looking at a Tottenham team that can finish 8th or 9th this season under Frank. If we're going to be finishing 8th or 9th under Frank, let's dead it. Let's dead it now. Dead it. Cut the brother, sack him, get Iriola Glasner in now because I can't stand the level of dust. Tottenham played Monaco's under-21s today. Straight up man them. You get me? South Londoner, East Londoner, bear them. And their keeper didn't have to make one save. Because we could have lost 5-0 today if these brothers were half decent. When I watched Tottenham play Aston Villa, who literally had 2 shots on goal and we lost. I went to watch Wolves and I'm seeing Tottenham fans shake their bum. It was dirty. You know what I mean? I had to cover my son's face. The amount of bum shaking when we got that Polina equalizer.
Northside, are you hearing this?
I was the one who sat there in silence. I was exercising my right to remain silent like I was being stopped and searched. You know, like that, like I was being stopped and searched. I stayed still because it was that rubbish. Right now, I am not happy with my club. I can't lie to you. I'm not happy with my club. I can't rep my club. You know what I'm saying? It's crap. We don't look like scoring. He's doing rotation in the location. I don't understand. I think we had about 7 man in midfield. What the hell is going on? Why can't Pape Sarr get a start? Archie Gray, it's rubbish, man. And then I've got Arsenal fans shaking their bum. I'm done already.
Tony, take it away. Take it away.
Bro, let me laugh. No, not that. You take it away, bro. Let me just laugh in peace, bro.
Deji, may I remind you, because me and Tony today, I'm not going to let you get away with it. Because you were saying everything's fixed now. We got Frank. Watch the defense now. You're going to win something this season. Because I asked you, what's your club going to do this season? We're getting top 4 in the trophy. I don't know which trophy, but we're going to get a trophy. That's what you told me and Tony. That's what you told us. And we said, Deji, Tony asked you. Tony said, Deji, look at your squad. Our squad is as good as your squad. Look at the way we're playing. Look at the points we're getting. And now look at you. Now look at you, bro. You were dropping points. Didn't you drop points to Bodo Glimt? You were 2-0 down at halftime to Brighton. And now we're looking at you, Monaco. If it wasn't for Vicario, a keeper that you won out, you would have lost this game.
Bro, I'm actually finding your chest pumped very disconcerting right now, bro. I don't know how to take this.
Don't
say people.
I'm fully rattled. I can't even lie.
Don't go on like you weren't back in this process, bro. Because you've been back in it. You've been back in the squad. You've been back in the manager. You've
No,
been
but
telling us what
can
you're
I
gonna
just
do.
before Tony comes in, can I just say something, bro?
Yeah.
The issue with Tottenham right now is not really the squad. Someone asked me this question a moment ago. Look, the squad is bummy, but you got to think under this same squad is no different than last season. People are telling me, yeah, but there's Brennan Johnson. Yeah, Brennan Johnson was our top goal scorer last season, bro. He scored 16, 17 goals. We were scoring goals for fun last season under Ange. All I needed was, with the goal scoring, can you back this thing up? Pause. Yeah. With dropping the defensive line and being a bit more structured. That's all I asked for. What I'm getting is confusion in the location, because I don't know if Xavi Simons is a 10 or is Xavi Simons playing left or is Xavi Simons on the bench. Why are we starting Archie Gray? Why are we starting Bergvall? And the one thing, this brother, Aston Villa is better than Monaco, yeah? And we are starting one of the dustiest strikers I've ever seen in my life. And I know I'm going to meet my man in Wood Green and I'm going to walk past him. Matthias Tell, dusty. We're starting him and Odebear, and we're wondering why we can't score past Villa. Because these two men are crap. There are enough players in that Tottenham squad to get a win if he finds the right formation. But he's just doing an idiotness. Do you get what I'm saying? And that's what's pissing me off. I'm not saying Tottenham's going to win the league with the players that we got. But we should be doing a lot better than this. We should be beating Monaco, and we should have beaten Wolves, and we should have beaten Villa on the weekend. And because we haven't done that, someone has to blame. People are telling me, nah, they're just not the manager, it's the players. I'm like, no, shut your mouth, it's the managers.
Oh, God. Not side. People, just because we wanted to capture everything, yeah. We have to capture everything Deji Spurs. So, we skipped the introductions, yeah. I mean, but, I'll bring that back, people, yeah. See, I am the winner. I am the winner. What is that song that Deji always? Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Honest, anyhow they wanna fly. Don't kill my vibe. Don't kill my shut your mouth. What are you talking about, Deji? I am the winner. See, people, I sat down here with my brother. See, people, yeah, shout out to brother Northside. I mean, this brother, yeah, people, we just have to give it to him. No matter what happens, he gives us a voice down here, and I do respect him. Me, brother Northside, we're here, we sat down together with Deji Spurs, and man was running his mouth. People, he couldn't stop talking about Thomas Frank. Well, people, I mean, when you look at Deji Spurs sitting down there, yeah, a dejected man right now, in footballing wise, it's happy outside football, but I mean, footballing wise, yeah, you can see him, cutting a very, very angry figure. People can notice something is missing from his props today. Yeah, people. The domination, location, and and written on his shirt. No, what I mean, man is not wearing it. Yeah, man is not wearing it today. What about the cap, the signature cap? Yeah, the snapback hat. It's no more there. I mean, yeah, this is how Tottenham Hotspurs, yeah, literally, yeah, get their fans, yeah, smoked up every season. Yeah, Deji, you had what you had with Ange last season. Yeah, it's different now. You got a new manager. I mean, you have to soak everything up. Soak everything up. Just soak everything up. Yeah. I mean, looking at this Monaco game, yeah, Deji Spurs, man, it was underwhelming, man. I mean, your team is dusty. Yeah. I mean, Monaco was there, yeah, for the taking. They're not really, really, really doing quite well in the French League on. They look drab. I mean, it's a drab Monaco team, and that team would have gotten at least up to 4 goals ahead of you guys in this matchup. I mean, it was dusty. I mean, we can say anything about this Tottenham team, but one thing you did have today was, you came out there, without a loss. That's the thing, without a loss. Do I think you will qualify for the next stage? Deji, I mean, when you're playing like this, yeah, when you can't even get past Monaco, bro, what are your chances? I mean, a turnaround needs to happen, bro, because Thomas Frank is looking dusty. The goals have dried up. Attacking wise, is bereft of ideas. Yeah, I mean, you could say he's got some certain kind of players out. Madison isn't there. Solanke, I mean, just getting back to full fitness. But I mean, all those are excuses right now, Deji. They're excuses. You have to give us something to run with. How about that? Give us something to run with. And when people like me and Northside are telling you that your team is dusty, this is what we mean. Because we do know that at the end of the season, by last season, yeah, when you got lucky, because I mean, there's a downturn in European football. I mean, we can share that. We're so brothers in that. We'll get into Arsenal and all of that later on, yeah. But I mean, we've come into this understanding, yeah, that these European teams are shit. So why can't you smack up Monaco, bro?
That's right.
It's
That's
a 1-0 win.
That's right. Because he's always telling us how shit. Yeah,
How shit European teams are.